Here are the 4 biggest mistakes small YouTubers make. So, coming up at the first spot, not reading the rules. The first step of becoming a content creator here on YouTube is to read and understand the rules and community guidelines. Having that proper knowledge when starting on YouTube makes you aware of what content is allowed and not allowed to publish. Aside from that, even if you have a high-quality content uploaded every single time, but if that content doesn't follow the community guidelines and monetization policies, all of your hard work and sacrifices in creating that video will be buried in the ground, and I don't want that to happen to you. Now, here are the community guidelines and the monetization policies. If you want to read it by yourself, you can click the link in the description down below. Going back to the topic, take at least a little time to read and understand what is written here. It probably won't take you a month to read it, and it's also for you, so that the content you worked so hard for will not be wasted. Furthermore, YouTube's community guidelines is constantly changing, so it's a good idea to always read YouTube's rules and regulations, to always be guided in the content you upload. Remember, YouTube is not yours, so follow their instructions. Coming up at number 2, the sub for sub. This is one of the biggest mistakes of a small YouTuber, where they will put a comment like this to other content creator. In addition, you can actually get more subscribers using this method.
Yeah, boy.
But the truth is, you are only putting your channel at risk because you are only inviting spam subscribers to your channel who don't really care about your content. Aside from that, this is also a violation to the YouTube's rules, because if we go back to the YouTube's monetization policy and look for the community guidelines below, we will see here the spam, deceptive practices and scams. Click on that and you will be taken to another tab, and there it will be explained further. Now, scroll down and look for repetitive comments. So according to this, repetitive comments are obviously comments that are leaving large amounts of identical, untargeted or repetitive comments. In other words, irrelevant and repeated. So, it's very clear in here that you should not be doing it because you will just waste your time and ruin your channel. Remember, there are 3 reasons why people press the subscribe button. The first is when you help them with anything they are looking for. Second is, you have entertained them with the content you upload. And third is, all of the above.
Nice.
Coming up at number 3, not using customized thumbnails. Are you that kind of YouTuber who is so lazy that you just press the automatic thumbnails that YouTube gives you? If so, you have made another mistake. Aside from that, YouTube is one of the largest video platforms in the world, and thousands of videos are uploaded to YouTube every day, so that means your video is competing with thousands of videos from other creators, and you need to stand out in order for you to get all that views and clicks. Furthermore, even if you have a well-crafted content, if no one is clicking your thumbnail, it will greatly affect the performance of your video. Now, let me give you some bonus tip in creating your thumbnail. For example, when you are scrolling in the homepage of YouTube, you try to look which one of the thumbnails attracted you, and you try to analyze what elements they used that attract your attention. Is it because of the emotion, the bright color and so on? Then once you have identified that, apply those elements to the thumbnail you are going to make. In addition, make sure that your thumbnail is related to your content. If not, it will greatly affect the performance of your video. Coming up at number 4, being impatient. So, finally you have uploaded the video that you worked hard for a few days, and you almost run out of words to write your script, and lots of time consumed editing your video. Then after 48 hours, you check your analytics and expecting to have thousands of views and thousands of subscribers. But like what they say, expect the unexpected, then this is what you get: low amount of views, no subscribers added, your CTR is decreasing to the ground, and the chances that YouTube promotes your content is very low. Now, most small YouTubers lose interest in creating content when they see the numbers drop in their analytics, and it feels like no one is appreciating your work. You know, that's normal because you're just starting out, and success is not given in a snap of a finger. It is all achieved by perseverance, hard work and a little bit of patience. Take note, we only have a short amount of time, and if you give up now, you will regret it for the rest of your life. Now, I hope you learned something today. Then if you like this video, press the subscribe button, and see you on the next video.